one killer of kids between 2 and 5 is drowning. If we save one kid's life, just one, then this whole thing is worth it. My name's Ando Barunda, and I'm the creator of SafeGrom StokeVest. The SafeGrom StokeVest is unlike any other PFD on the market today. There's 4 strategically placed harnesses on the StokeVest, 1 on the collar, 2 on the sides, and 1 on the back. This is what we call the StokeGrip. We designed this with a harness in the back, so if a kid or adult is in the water face down, you can easily grab them and pull them up to safety. We have double padding in the front that will automatically keep a person face up. We have the claim whistle that we have up in the front in case anybody gets in problems, they can easily get the whistle and blow and get somebody's attention. But the main thing that we have on the StokeVest is of course the StokeGrip. There's nothing else like it on the market today. The 2 main motivators behind the creation of the StokeVest.
Number 1 is saving kids from 2 to 5 years of age from drowning.
The second was the SafeGrom StokeVest being part of the Wounded Warriors program. Vets were coming back from Iraq and Afghanistan. Many of them didn't have arms or legs. The Wounded Warriors program, basically, we would take vets surfing. And so one particular vet that still has a special place in my heart took surfing, and we just had issues of bringing them up on the surfboard. So with that, there was a need, and so I basically came up with a PFD that had a harness in the back.
I kind of felt confident on this one because I saw that as soon as I'd catch the wave, like it was like his weight was more secure on the board, and then it gave me a chance to like stand up and then pull him up really easily. And I never really had that before. With the other vests that we've used, I would definitely use it again.
So remember, the number 1 killer of kids between the ages of 2 and 5 is drowning. I encourage you to help us out on our journey to save kids globally. Remember, we got your Groms back. SafeGrom.